Yeah, we can create class, method, constructor, object. One more time, we can create class, method, constructor, object. Nice. We need to call method by using object name. We need to call method by using object name actually with parenthesis. We need to access attributes by using object name, no parenthesis. Constructor will be executed during object creation. Constructor will be executed automatically. Can I highlight that point actually? Automatically చెప్పండి సార్, during object creation. Keyword arguments topic, you can apply in function, you can even apply in constructor. Next one, method. That's what you need to be understand. A small recap I already done. Now let me access the material. So data frame introduction kada. Yeah, important boss, focus on this. So simple, there are few points, let me explain. It's a data structure. Data frame is a data structure. Data frame is a data structure. Daniel, what is the uses? By using this, we can store and process the data. How it will store actually? How it will store? You know, it stores rows plus column format. Rows plus what format mean? Column format actually. Repeating again. Are you talking about the series data structure? Yeah, Daniel. Series can store the data in the form of single column only. In the form of what, Sarji? But when it comes to data frame, it's not like that. It can store the data in the form of rows. It can store the data in the form of columns actually. But let me tell you, always first you need to tell rows. Next one, columns. Next one, what's Ajay? Columns. No, Daniel, first I will tell columns, next I will tell rows means not a proper way actually. There is not a proper way. So make a note on this one. Okay. Now the next one. Insertion order is fixed. Insertion order is fixed actually. Is what exactly mean? Fixed. Even these are all points we can see even step by step. Let us move on. One more important point. Data frame is a predefined class. Data frame is what, Sajji? Predefined class. Daniel, it is a predefined class actually. Though it is a class, definitely you are expecting one topic actually. What is the topic? You know, attributes and methods. Make a note on this. Attributes and methods we are going to discuss even those. Data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. Okay, 2D rows and columns, right? If it is a series, 1D, one dimension. Data frame is just like a table structure, sir. Data frame is just like what structure? Table. If anybody is coming from database background, in a database, what we can do, you know, we can create a table. When I say table, rows and columns. What exactly mean? Rows and columns. Data frame is something like a table. Data frame contains rows and columns. A small quick introduction. Yeah, this is important. Data frame is a predefined chapter class. One more time. Data frame is a predefined class. Very nice. Then what you guys need to understand is, are you learning pandas actually? Yeah, Daniel, I'm learning pandas. I'm learning what exactly, sir? Pandas. Whenever you are learning pandas, make a note. Inside pandas, would you have a classes? Chapan sir, would you have a? One of the class name is called as a series. Yes. The cinema is over actually. I mean, we are even working with upcoming actually. What is the next one? Data frame. That's what you need to be under. The beauty will be, it is having functions also. Maybe today we'll discuss actually. We'll discuss today. The point is, learning pandas means we are learning predefined classes, we are learning predefined functions. Python is the base actually. Then in Python, I already explained how to create a class. In Python, we already covered how to create a that's what you need to be understand. Are you learning any new library? That library contains classes and functions, boss. That's what you need to be understand. Then that's what I'm telling. You should know the core in the sense, you know, before looking into predefined class, you should know user defined class. How to create your own class with your name. Before looking into predefined function, you should know how to create your own function actually. Anyway, functions is today topic, we'll see later. Now, Daniel, this one is a running topic. This one is what, Sarji? Running topic. So, we done this. Let's move on. Are you learning pandas here? Then inside pandas, indirectly you are learning about the classes. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. Ante. Very konamlo chodottu. Don't look into that one in a different angle actually. Okay? All good, sir. All good. Fine then. So, Yeah, that's what you need to be understand. Employee number, name, salary, right? So I would like to say total. First, you need to count the rows actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is having index also. So it is having index also. Can you tell me how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows would you have? Row number 1, row number 1. Next one, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. After rows counting is over, then you need to go for columns counting. What counting? Columns. Yeah, 1, this is called as a column. 2, 3 columns actual. We know, sir, these are all basic fundamentals actual. Here I have given small explanation. You guys need to walk through that. Okay, now let us enter into the discussion. Get ready. How we done series creation? Now we are going to do the data frame creation. Data frame, we can create empty data frame is possible. By using single list we can create. By using nested list we can create. By using dictionary we are going to create. Very nice. With the data frame we can, with another data frame we can create a data frame. With another data frame we can create what, Sarji? Data frame. And even loading the files. Okay, that is even today topic, loading the files actually. Yeah, Daniel. So creating a data frame. Would you have a different ways? First one, empty data frame. Second one, by using single list. By using nested list. By using dictionary. By using even data frame. By using data frame, we can create a data frame. How nice it is actually. Loading your files. Loading what exactly, sir? Files. Upcoming topic. Okay. These are all ways we can create a data frame. Then get ready, sir. Get ready for this. Okay. Yeah, Daniel. The first one. Chapter, sir, what is the first one? Empty data frame. Based on requirement, we can create empty data frame actually. Yeah. Sir, చెప్పండి empty list. చెప్పండి empty
dictionary.
Do you think this is empty set actually? I will cry.
No. Set not
empty dictionary.
Empty dictionary.
చెప్పండి sir. Empty set. Same thing like that. Daniel, S equals to PD dot series. చెప్పండి empty series. Same thing like that. Empty series actually. Now df equals to pd dot data frame. Ayyo. Empty data frame. Same story, sir. Same story. Right? So that's what you need to be understand. Data structures we are creating. And the nature. Empty data frames. These are all we have created actually. Daniel, please show me the example. Show. Fine. Import pandas as PD. S equals to PD dot series. Can you tell me this is empty series? Yeah, we already know this. Empty series. Can I reduce? Daniel, create empty data frame. Sir, I have a question. What is the series here? Class. What is the whole line? Same story, man. Copy paste actually. df equals to pd dot data frame. That's what. If you really understand series, learning data frame is easy. I have a question for you. What is a data frame? Class. What is the whole line? Object creation. What creation? That's what you need to be understand, right? Now let me just try to print. Empty series we have created. Empty data frame also I have created. That's what you should get an idea. Very good. Very good. Super. Very nice actually. This one is a series. When you're talking about the data frame, it is directly displaying output as a boss. I'm empty data frame, no data within me. When I say no data, no columns and no rows. Rows is representing with index. Rows is representing with index actually. Make a note on this, right? I have a question for you. Can you tell me the whole line? Object creation. During object creation, something executes. What it is? Constructor. Make a note on this, right? Let's take this one and I can just have to make a note on this. Okay. Empty data frame. All right. It's okay. Let me take this question. There is a question. Sneha Garu, Sneha madam. Array Daniel, what is the difference between class and data structure? Then first I need to answer this class and data structure because we are calling list as both class. Data structure like that series and data frame actually. Make a note on this one. Okay. Data structure is a technique. Is a what subject? Technique. Technique for what? Technique to store, Chappan sir, data and process the data. Repeating again, data structure is a topic or technique. Then మీరు టాపిక్ అనొచ్చు టెక్నిక్ అనొచ్చు యాక్చువల్ రైట్ ఎయిదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ టాపిక్ ఆర్ టెక్నిక్ అల్టిమేట్లీ వై we are using this technique actually sir the main motto will be store the data and what subject nice this data structure technique implemented with class topic. With what topic, sir? Class topic. Data structure. That's what you need to be understand. Then don't ask what is a exactly. Let me repeat again. Data structure is a topic. Okay. Why we are using? Store the data, process the data. Data store chesukodaniki, process cheyadaniki. Then this technique is implemented in Python by using a topic. Topic name is a class. Yeah, I hope you understand. Sneha Garu, you got it right. When you're talking about the list, yeah, Daniel, data structure. Okay. Though it is a data structure, structure, how it is implemented actually? Implemented with class. Chapani? Implemented with what subject? Class actually. Class. Now the data structure name itself is the list and class name itself also what exactly? I'm sure you got a clarity. All right, no worries, move on. Where are we? Overall came late for today's session. Children, sir, మీకోసం నేను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి స్మాల్ రివిజన్ ఇస్తున్నాను. కమ్ టు ది ఎర్లీ, అదర్వైజ్ అడ్మిన్ విల్ స్టాప్. అడ్మిన్ ఆపేస్తున్నారు యాక్చువల్గా 9:30 దాటిన తర్వాత కనుక మీరు వస్తే మేబీ దెర్ ఈస్ వన్ న్యూ రూల్ పాస్ రేట్ నరేష్ ఎట్ నో మ్యాటర్ వాట్ కమ్ ఎట్ రైట్ టైమ్ యాక్చువల్, అదర్వైజ్ ఓకే మూవ్ ఆన్. Overall came just for late for today's session. Welcome back. Today we are starting the topic. Topic name is a data frame introduction. What is the topic name? So simple data frame means it's a data structure. It can store the data. That too, how it will store, sir? It stores the data like a rows and columns format. What format? This rows and columns topic, we are mostly in IT company, we are going to work with the table data. What data, sir? Table actually, table. That's what even I covered. Yeah, how a series we have created. So one more point, series is a predefined class. In pandas also data frame is a predefined class. What is a data frame, sir? Predefined class actually. Daniel, can I create a data frame? Yes, you can create. Creating a data frame means creating a object to the data frame class. Mali cheptanu chudandi. Creating a data frame means creating a object to the data frame class. Creating object to whom? Data frame class actually. These are all ways we can do. We can create a data frame in a different ways. Empty data frame we can create. By using single list we can create, nested list, dictionary, loading, these are all. In real time, Daniel, it's okay. This one is at narration you are discussing, but in real time, which one you are using? Last one we are using actual. Last one, loading the file. That's why I made it like that one is a separate topic. But before that, you should aware What is a data frame? మీరు చూడాలి ఒకసారి. What is a data frame? How the data frame looks like this actually? Are you getting or not, sir? Then immediately I have created empty data frame. Empty data frame. This is the way. This is the way. Yeah, successfully I have created. So importing pandas and s equals to pd dot series. Empty series I have created. Then df equals to pd dot data frame. I would like to say object creation, series object creation, data frame object creation. Data frame object creation. The moment whenever you are creating like this, empty data frame is created actually. So this one is output. It will tell directly Daniel empty data frame. If it is a series itself is not telling I'm empty series. By looking at this one, you need to understand. But if it is a data frame, some extra information we are getting. Hey Daniel, I'm empty. That's still okay. No columns, no index. Index means rows. Index means what, Sachi? Nice. Move on. Next point. Oh. Check either it is really data frame or not. Data frame or kaado check cheddam. How to check actually? Cheppandi sir. Type kada. A good print of. Type of. Yes. And even next one print of type of. DF actually. Type of what such a DF. Very nice. Series empty object. Data frame empty object actually. Sir, first one is series object. Second one is data frame object actually. That's what you should get an idea, right? Main package, sub package. This one is a class. So we are good to go. Then I should add the code here itself. Empty data frame. Empty series and data frame successfully we done. Move to the next one. Let us creating a data frame. Create what such a data frame by using single list. By using what such a single list actually. Get ready to understand this. Very, very important. Focus on this. Import pandas spd equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's still okay. Otherwise, it's still okay. Let me take only 4 values. I hope you already know, sir. df equals to pd dot cheptara data frame. Pd dot what exactly? Data frame. Here you need to pass the data. While you are creating an object, you need to pass something. Backend constructor will execute. What executes mean? Constructor. Then you should know what is a constructor. Let me print the data frame. Let me print what such a data frame actually. Good. Only team you are following, I guess. Good. Sir, successfully single column data frame it is going to create. What it creates? Single column data frame. Yeah, Daniel. So whenever you are printing this data frame, especially make a note on this one. This is really beautiful. Yeah, I have a question for you. This one is a data. Whenever you are printing the data frame, you are getting output actually. Yeah, output as a data. And we are even getting as an index actually. That too, one more important point. What is that important point, sir? Imagine if the data frame having no column names. We can give column names, but as of now, I'm not giving actually. By default, it will assign the column names. It starts from 0. It starts from, the next column name is a 1. Next column name is a 2. Next column name is a 3. Conclusion of the story, data frame by default, it will come up with the column names. It will come up with what, Saji? Daniel, can I customize? You can do customize actually. You can customize. And during series, I kept one point hold. During series చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీకు ఒక పాయింట్ హోల్డ్ లో పెట్టాను. అదేంటో తెలుసా? Hold on. Whenever you are printing the series column always prints at bottom actually. Am I right? This is the reason. If column name it is displaying at the top means that becomes like a data frame. That becomes what, Sachi? That's what you need to be understand. There is a small difference. If it is a series column name, it will always display at what location? Man? Bottom location. Meeku ardhamayinda appudu. Okay? Yeah. Let's take this one. Daniel, can I use names? Sir, you can use. First one, Raju. Next one, Prasad. Next one, Yesu Babu. The next one, Rajesh. All right, let me just try to use this one. Exactly. We got it. I have a question. What is the column name? Jura is not fair. Ante vinadanik baaledu. We can change. I will tell you how to change that column name. I will tell you actually. Right. Name of the column is a 0. Sir, I have a question. What is the left hand side? Index. Leftmost column is the index actually. Good. Let's take this one. Still we are creating a, like this we can create actually. Creating a data frame by using list. That's what we are doing actually. Yeah. Daniel, can I give heterogeneous data? Up to you, Saji. Me istam. 10. Now here, 1.23. Can I give? You can, Saji. No doubt in that. Creating a data frame by using single list. Now the next example, creating a data frame by using nested list. Alright, one important point. Few guys are talking, sir. Matlododdu, please. If you create data frame with single list actually, then we will get single column data frame. We'll get what, Saji? Are you creating a data frame by using list actually? Yeah, Daniel, by using single list actually. Then we'll get a single column data frame. We'll get what exactly mean? Single column data frame. That's what you need to be understand. Now I would like to enter into creating a data frame by using nested list. Creating a data frame by using what, Saji? Nested list. First, let me give a small introduction. What is list? Nested list. List inside another list. Chapter, sir? List inside another list. We are creating a list. Inside another list. Inside what, Saji? Another list. Another list is called as దీని మనం ఏమంటాం అంటే nested list. It is called as what exactly mean? Nested list. That's what you need to be. You should get an idea. Let me show. నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Print of A. Otherwise ages. A's value. A's. These are all A's values actually. Yeah, good. Nested list. This what exactly mean? Nested. I have created a list. Right? So inside another list I have created actually. Go make a note on this one. Daniel, can I create one more thing? Yeah, good. Values equals to my system hanging. Okay. A equals to, first I can take all names. Raju, Rani, Daniel, Kusuma. Good. And next I am taking ages 10, 12, 30, 40. Now yeah, exactly when first one first list, next one next list. Like this also we can create, sir. This is called as a nested list. Chaptara, this is called as a, very nice. Now let me just try to print A actually. Print what exactly mean? A. We are good to go. Successfully we have created a nested list actually. Nested list. What happened, first one, this one is a main list starting from, closing this actually. In total 0th index, one separate list stored actually. Total 0th index. Next in first index, the total these things it is being getting storing actually. Make in the search. Okay. Now, let me just try to print this one. Creating a nested list. Oh, Daniel, can I apply for loop? You can apply, sir. For I in చెప్పండి A, then let's print I. Then one by one it will print actually. List by list it will print. Beautiful. First list, yeah. So first list, second list actually. Sir, easy man. These are all pure Python code actually. Are you following? I need a response. Good. How many keywords we are using in this example? ఈ example ఎన్ని keywords వాడుతున్నాం? What are those keywords? We can create. Mukhtar search we can create actually. Alright, anyway, we are going to create a, if you are using single list, then we are going to get a single column data frame. If you are using nested list, then we are going to get a multiple columns actually. Multiple columns we are going to get. We'll see. This one is a single column data frame. Repeat one more time. Single column data frame. So from the output, the data frame created with the single column. Here column name is 0. We can customize this as well. Column name I don't want as a 0. Can I customize? You can do.
Yeah.
I will tell you how to do that actually. If no index is passed, then by default index will be arranged, sir. We know this rule. If no index is passed, then by default, index is assigning actually. Yeah, I'm creating a index with the names. I'm creating a single column data frame. The data I'm taking names actually. This is still fine. Good. So seems to be, I'm checking the length of the data frame. If you want, you can check the length actually. Length means number of rows, number of total, how many rows actually. Total how many rows, Saji? 8. 7 plus 1. 8 rows would you have? This is important. Let us create a data frame by using list of list. By using what, Saji? List of list. Let me show you this one, such a nice example. What I'm doing, Daniel, can I take a combination? First of all, list 1, list 2, list 3, list 4, list 5. In every list, the 0th index is a name. The second index is the A's. What is the second index, sir? A's. Come on, let us just try to create this one actually. Details equals to
Raju.
first one Raju 10.
Rani.
Next one Daniel 20. Next one Rani 30. Next one Kusuma 40. Good. Hello Daniel, can I create a data frame? You can create such a data frame. Yeah. Let us do that actually. Okay. Without importing, repeating again, without importing, if you are trying to creating an object, you will get a name error. What error? It will tell directly, I don't know PD. PD ante na telidu. What you are calling PD? It will ask actually, do you wanted to see that error? Name error. Name error, PD is not defined. PD is what, Sachi? And it is even giving suggestion, are you looking for ID? No, I'm not looking for ID. Chappan sir, import. Panda says, sorry. Now this is valid. Successfully data frame is created, Sarji. Data frame successfully created. Let us just have to print the DF and I can just have to run this example. Yeah, good. Wow, this is seriously very good actually. Sir, data frame created. What is created actually? Data frame created. Data frame what, Sarji? Created actually. How many rows, man? 4 rows. How many rows? 4 rows. Let me tell you. When I'm asking how many rows, go to the index plus 1 you can apply. Plus 1. Total, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. Indirectly, if I'm asking how many rows, how many indices? How many indexes I'm asking actually. Then how many columns? 2 columns. Column number 1, column number 2. Sir, I'm repeating. Mali cheptanu chudandi. This one is a diagrammatic representation. Okay. Daniel, this one is row number 1. Sorry. Row 1. Row number 2. Respectively, row number 3. Next one, row number 4. Next one, column number 1. Next one, column number 2. Daniel, is it important? Very, very important. Once you get a data frame, first operation you should understand how many rows and how many columns. Chappan sir, how many rows and how many columns actually? Okay, very good. Okay. Then let me just try to take this one. We are good to go. Nested list I have created actually. Okay. Fine, sir. Let's move on. Can I draw one small diagram? Oh, chiన్న diagram draw చేయమంటారా? Then you can draw. Let's take it. Okay. Team. This is one object. Chappan sir, it is what exactly? One object actually. Indirectly, we are storing the data into an object. Daniel, why? We'll see. By using this object, we can apply operations actually. Such a beautiful topic. In total data science, object is very, very important topic. Object is something like a container. Inside that one, we need to dump the data. We need to store the data. Why? who can apply operation. You can call head method, tail method, sum method, such a head method you can call. These are all methods we can call actually. Even series we done the same way. Am I right or not, sir? Right? Series lo kuda manam ade chesam. You guys need to walk through. Oh, here I have taken such a big values actually. So Ranjan 11, Sagar 12. Can I ask you one question, sir? What are the column names? 0, 1. One more time. 0, 1. Then can I customize the column names? You can customize. That is the next example. Blah blah blah. I'm telling. So there are 2 columns, and here column names 0 and what exactly? Yeah. So info. There is a small info actually. Let me just try to get this output. ఈ అవుట్పుట్ ప్రింట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. From this output, the information is there are total 4 rows and total 2 columns. 2 columns. Always first rows, next columns. That's it. First step to rows ni cheppali. Then giving column names to the data frame. This is quite interesting, sir. Hey Daniel, can I give column names? See, can you tell me what is a column name? 0. That's not good. This seems to be employee names. This is something like a employee is. 10 is not as just a small data we are creating actually. Can I give a names actually? You can give such a. To give a names, what we need to do, create one small list. How many columns you want such? Any columns call me? 2 columns. Yeah. First column, second column. Provide the first column name, give the proper name. I would like to tell student name. I would like to tell name, student name. Then here is. What exactly meant is. Do you think it is assigned actually? No, it is not assigned. Not assigned. Then you can just have to come here. Enable the code actually. Columns equals to C. Quite interesting. I have a question for you. During object creation, positional argument, can you tell me what it is?
Keyword argument.
Keyword argument again today also came.
Yeah.
Previously also we covered actually.
Yeah.
Gurtunda sir? In series also we covered actually, right? Let me just try to run the code. You will get a nice idea. Such a beautiful topic actually. So the previously column name is the 0 and 1. But now the column name is, what is the first column name? Name. Next column name is. This looks pretty good. ఇది చూడడానికి more readability. More what such? Readability in the sense చదవడానికి వినడానికి బాగుంది యాక్చువల్గా. Am I right, sir? Yeah. I have a question. Can somebody tell what it is? One more time. Can I give keyword argument name is wrong actually? No. If you are giving wrong, you will get a type error. What error? Description unexpected keyword argument. One more time. Same story, sir. Copy paste actually. Same. Previously, మనం ఇంత ముందు డిస్కస్ చేసినవి ఉంటాయి అన్నీ కూడా. ఓకే, వెరీ నైస్. కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ ద హోల్ లైన్? కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేషన్ చెప్పండి సార్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేషన్. డ్యూరింగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేషన్ సంథింగ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్స్. వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్? కన్స్ట్రక్టర్. Nice. Now I would like to take such a big data. I'm planning to take. Then everybody look at my screen. ఒకసారి నా స్క్రీన్ వైపు చూడండి సార్. Okay, so I'm taking Sagar $10,000, Daniel 16 $20,000, Viru 24 $30,000 actually, Raju, Kiran, Reena. Reena is one of my previous colleague actually. She's my lead, right? She's from, I hope, north side actually. She don't know Telugu, but let me tell you, in terms of technical subject, she's expert actually. She's expert. Especially females, if you really focus, you will become such a so nice programmers actually. She's the one. She used to handle around some 4 to 5 teams. Not a joke actually. Each team around some 6 to 7 members. Imagine any technical doubt, she will listen the doubt. She will ask just 2 to 3 minutes time. She will answer 100 out of 100 right answer actually. I mean to say, she will tell how to fix the issue. Always be a big good programmer. Always see. From your seniors, you have to learn. I never feel shy. From somebody I learn actually. No. You have to always open to learn. Cheppandi sir, open to learn. మనం నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపించాలి. No matter what. Either he is a junior or senior, it doesn't matter. ఫస్ట్ ఎదుటి వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా టెక్నికల్ గా మంచి పాయింట్ చెప్తుంటే మనం వినాలి. దట్ ఈస్ అ గుడ్ హ్యాబిట్ యాక్చువల్. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? రైట్. So she's very good in terms of technical discussion. See, import Panda says PD. Panda says what, Sachi? PD. DF equals to PD dot data frame. Chappan sir, can you help me? Details. I'm not giving column names. Then what is the default column names?
0, 1.
Very nice. You understand, I guess. Make ardham ayipoyindi. Very nice. Very nice. 0, 1, 2. 0 what, Saji? 1, 2. Can I assign column names? Column names assign cheyocha? Yeah, you can. By using keyword argument name is called as a columns. Then name, I would like to say employee name is salary.
I'm just now.
Then please prepare a list. How many columns call me? 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Employee name. Next one is. Next one salary. Just you can enable the code. Columns equals to Chappan sir C. That's it, man. That's it actually. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు మీరు డిఫరెన్స్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. Wow, such a beautiful topic, sir. When you're talking about the data frame, rows and columns, how many rows? Yeah. So, yeah, good. When I'm asking how many rows, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, row number 5. Instead of counting manually, we can go for index 8 plus 1, total 9 rows actually. How many rows, sir? 9 rows. Good. The next one, columns. Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. Are you clear, Sachi? Yeah, make a note on this one. This one is a data frame. Rows and, structured data, sir. What data? When I say structured data, rows and columns. What exactly, sir? Rows and columns. Can you tell me what is the data frame here? Very nice. What is input here? Keyword.
Yeah.
We done, Sarji. Creating a data frame by using dictionary. By using what exactly? Dictionary. Dictionary uses create chedam chudani. Are you clear? Till now, I have explained how to create empty data frame, how to create a data frame by using single list, how to create a data frame by using nested list. Now it's the right time creating a data frame by using quite interesting, sir, dictionary. First of all, let me explain about the dictionary. Dictionary gurinchi meeku already telusu, but let me give a small idea. Then first of all, it is a data structure. It can store the data, store and process the data. That too, how it will store, so how it stores actually. Ela store chesino telusa, sir? Key and value pair. Key and value, what exactly mean? Pair notation actually. Key and value pair. Let me drink water. Time 10:14. Today date is 10:14. Let me explain. Go back. Oh, why these many, Daniel? Close these are all. Yeah, where are we? నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. Creating a dictionary. Everybody look at my screen. So dictionary like this I have explained. I would like to say Raju, column 100. The next one Rani. The next one column 200. Successfully, this is the way we can create a dictionary. This one is a basic dictionary. Successfully. What are the keys? Can you tell me? Raju, Rani. What are the values? 100, 200. Basic dictionary. Let me create one more example. Creating a dictionary. Let me create one more example, sir. Such a beautiful example. That example is, everybody look at my screen. D equals to, dictionary I'm creating. Very nice. LHS, column, RHS, comma, LHS column RHS, exactly. In left hand side position, employee name I would like to take. Yeah, can I take, Daniel? You can take. Key I'm taking as employee name, and here I'm taking list of names valid actually. Make a note on this one. Raju, the next one Rani, the next one Rajesh, the next one Dinesh. Repeating again. So the point is, key employee name value, instead of single value I am taking list of values, valid actual list of names you can take. Then now LHS position చెప్పండి సార్ ఏజ్. Then for all these employee ages I would like to take. ఈ ages ని తీసుకోవడానికి ప్లాన్ చేస్తాను. Yeah, Daniel. First, what is a Raju age actually? Raju age is think like a 16. Rani age actually 17. Rajesh చెప్పండి సార్ 18. The next one 19. That's it actually. Okay, print of D. Print of what exactly, man? D actually. We are good to go. Dictionary created. We'll do one thing. With this dictionary, let us create a data frame. Let us create what, Sachi? Are you clear? First of all, are you clear about this example? Right? So here, simple man, I created a dictionary. Then you should know what is a dictionary. What is a dictionary? How to create a dictionary? ఎప్పుడు కవర్ చేశాను సార్? స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చినప్పుడు. Did you remember? I'm sorry. So in 1947 I covered actually. That's what I'm telling daily. Do Python revision. Python daily revision చేయాలి మీరు. Daily how you are having the breakfast. Same thing like Python you need to do the revise actually. Import pandas as PD. చెప్పండి. df equals to pd dot data frame of D. Sir, one small important point here. What is that important point? Whenever you are creating a data frame by using nested list, columns we need to give explicitly. Let me repeat again. Whenever you are creating a data frame by using nested list, columns we need to give explicitly by using keyword argument name. That keyword argument name is the columns. But the beauty with the dictionary, key names will come as a column names automatically.
Yeah.
Key names. What is a key, Saji? Employee name. What is a key actually? Those behaves like a column names. That is really beautiful. అంటే బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో పాండాస్ రికగ్నైజ్ చేస్తుంది వాట్ యు ఆర్ పాసింగ్. ఆర్ యూ పాసింగ్ నెస్టెడ్ లిస్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ? లెట్ us assign default column names as a 0 1 2 3. But are you passing dictionary? Oh, let me pass keys as a column names. Keys as what, Saji? Column name. Important point. Yeah, good. Make a note on this one. Employee name is actual. Any rows ఉన్నాయి సార్? 4 rows. Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. Any columns ఉన్నాయి? 2 columns. Column number 1, column number 2. There are 4 rows and 2 columns actually. Are you clear, sir? I need a response. Very good.
వీళ్ళు ఏం చేశారంటే అలాగే ఏమైతుంది ఇట్లా
Good, sir. That's what you need to be understand. These are all. I hope you guys kindly please walk through. Name and is considered as a column names actually. We can customize index also. We can customize what exactly, sir? Index also. Like how for series data structure, how we customize an index, and for data frame also we can customize what, such index. By default index value short from 0. We can customize index, and based on requirement we can customize actually. If index is passed, then the length of index should be equal to the length of data frame. Yeah, good. Very nice, man. Look at the output in చూడండి ఒకసారి మీరు. From here to here it is called as a data. That too the data is in the form of rows and columns. This is called as a column names, header actually, header part 1 2 3. First column name, Next one is
Age.
next one salary.
Salary.
By default, index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. 0. Keep on actually. How many rows would you have? But can I customize that? You can customize, sir. Any idea what is the syntax actually? Keyword argument. Now I'm repeating again. Hold on. ఒక విషయం చెప్తాను చూడండి. Go back. Go to the functions. Part number 2. When I was explaining about the topic name is called as a keyword argument. That day I used one sentence. That sentence will be, this topic we are going to use more than 1,000 times throughout the course. More than. This is a practical proof. Just for fun. నేను ఏదో సరదాగా చెప్పలేదు మీకు. Then that day if you really understand what is a keyword argument, here exactly we are using the keyword argument actually. Look at our material. Material చూడండి. This is the keyword argument. Keyword argument actually. Okay. So let me just try to pass this. Functions. Be strong in functions actually. Create a data frame first. A data frame created. Default column names and default index. Default column name and default index. What is the default column names? 0, 1, 2. Default column names and default index. I wanted to customize the column names. Yeah, you can assign like this. Columns equals to C. Nice. Customized column names. But still index is the default. Can I customize index also? You can do, sir. Church meru. Up to you. Same thing like a series topic. Comma. Chappan sir. Index equals to. That's what you need to be understand. See. Oh, sorry. Index actually. That's what. I hope you are able to understand. The whole line is a object creation. What is the data frame? Class. Here, what is the data frame, Sarji? Class actually. So here, here, I'm passing the C here. To pass the C, I'm using the name. Let me tell you how to recognize either it is a keyword argument or a positional or argument. And whenever you are creating an object creation, if you are directly passing this one, this is called as a positional argument. What argument? But if you are using LHS and RHS syntax, what syntax? Then that is called as a keyword argument. That is called as a this LHS is fixed. అది ఎప్పుడు ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఉంటుంది. దట్ నెవర్ ఎవ్రీ చేంజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. బట్ RHS ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ C, Daniel, కెన్ ఐ గివ్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ఏ? సార్ అప్ టు యూ. కెన్ ఐ గివ్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ఏ? మీ ఇష్టం. దిస్ ఇస్ అప్ టు యూ. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? కోడింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఈజీ, బట్ యూ నీడ్ టు గివ్ టైం. మీరు టైం ఇవ్వాలి దానికి, అప్పుడు అర్థమవుతుంది టాపిక్. రైట్? టైం ఇవ్వకుండా హడావుడిగా మీరు నేర్చుకోకూడదు.
దివ్య కూడా చెప్పాల్సింది. దివ్య కూడా చెప్తారు కదా. దివ్య కూడా చెప్పాల్సింది.
డిక్షనరీ అండ్ కస్టమైజింగ్ columns and index. Very nice. That's what actually our running notes is seriously awesome. ప్రతి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కి డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దట్స్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు స్పెండ్ సమ్ టైమ్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద టైమ్? 10:25. ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎర్లీ లాగిన్ టుడే. నాకు ఈరోజు కొంచెం ఆఫీస్ వర్క్ ఎర్లీ లాగిన్ అవ్వాలి. లెట్ మీ స్పెండ్ ఇన్ అనదర్ 5 minutes. We done these are all. You can give. We done this, right? Index names, it can be string data also. It can be what data, Saji? String data also. String data అయినా సరే మీరు వచ్చు. That is still acceptable actually. Yep, you're able to get. మీరు రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు? ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్ రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్? టెల్ మీ సీరియస్లీ.
Yeah, Daniel.
Okay. Creating a data frame by loading the files. This we done actually. ఈ టాపిక్ అయిపోయినట్టే. ఓకే.
క్లాస్
Can I continue? Okay, let me continue for 10 minutes. Man, guys, listen carefully. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Don't miss. Minimum 3 to 4 interview questions, not even one. 3 నుంచి 4 interview questions ఉంటాయి. Tomorrow topic that much very very important actually. Make a note. I will continue next. Anyway, I need to go early, but 10 minutes. Next 10 minutes I can take a session. Make a note of this. Okay? Yeah. The topic name is called as a data frame. What is the topic name? Data frame, right? Daniel creating a data frame. Creating what's a data frame actually. These are all scenarios we done. First of all, empty data frame we have created. Empty data frame. So empty data frame. The next one, by using single list. The next one, nested list. The next one, fourth one is what exactly you know? So dictionary. Data frame, using data frame we'll see later. Now current topic is loading the files. Loading what's a different files. Different files actually. Now this one is a running topic. This one is a running topic actually. Let me continue. So the point is, imagine, listen carefully. Once you join in company, you guys, we need to create a data frame. We need to create what's a data frame actually. Okay, we need to create a data frame. Now definitely there is a data. Definitely there is what's a
data.
If the data is in list actually, then we can create a data frame. Quite interesting. If the data is even nested list actually, we can create a data frame. Nice. If the data is in the form of dictionary, even we can create a data frame. This is quite interesting, but let me tell you, in real time, data is not in list format. Data is not even nested list format. Data is not even dictionary format. Data is in file format. What format? అంటే రియల్ టైంలో మీరు కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత మీకు డేటా ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే ఫైల్లో వస్తుంది. ద మూమెంట్ వన్స్ యూ జాయిన్ ఇన్ కంపెనీ, ద మేనేజర్ ఆర్ లీడ్ దే విల్ గివ్ టేక్ దిస్ ఫైల్, క్రియేట్ ఏ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్. బట్ Daniel, you told these are all not using, but you should aware, మీకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి. I will tell you even later. When should you go for data frame for these are all? Whenever you are loading the file, when I say different files actually, sir, you will get a data frame. You will get what's a real time we are using actually. Conclusion of the story. Do you have a file? Yeah, Daniel, we will get a data frame. We will get what's a I mean to say CSV file. It is CSV file. CSV file, it is a data frame. Actually. The next one, Excel file. Excel file, it is a data frame. Is it okay? Can I maintain like this? Yeah, Daniel, that's still okay. 1 నిమిష 2 నిమిషాలు ఆగండి. The next one, JSON file. Yeah, it is a data frame, Daniel. It is what exactly, sir? Data frame. The next one, CSV file, TSV file. We are all working. ఈ ఫైల్స్ లో మనం వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం. This is the data frame. Conclusion of the story, sir, once you join in a company, client will give the file, no matter whatever file it is. We need to load and we'll get a data frame. We'll get what, Sajji? Can I tell you? Client will give the CSV file or a Excel file having 10 lakhs rows. How many rows? Not a joke actually. You can't believe, just a matter of one line. If you are writing that line, we'll get a data frame. We'll get what, Sajji? Data frame actually. Data frame. Are you clear, sir? Right. This one let me continue tomorrow. I know it is more interesting. If I started, I may not stop in between. I have early login today.